Okay, hey everyone, DADE'S here. Today I'm doing a 3D print review actually. The 3D printer wanted to remain anonymous, so I'm gonna respect that wish. But anyways, this is a concept bit for a custom bay I wanted to create. I call it ink. Mostly because the bay it's gonna go on is gonna be an octopus themed bay. But yeah, it has very great stamina, and I want to test it on a spin seller combo. So now, Cobalt 760 ink. From the test battles, my 3D printer showed me it can outspin some meta combos. So I like that, and it has great counterattacks. So let me hurry up and make a opponent and I'm gonna do some test launches first. Let's see how the test launch goes. Stationary, of course. Yeah, let me pick it up since it can spin for quite a long time. Now, let's test it against Dagger Drawn 360 Cyclone. Oh, one up. Best of 4. Oh, yeah, I got this. Come on, ink. Yeah, there we go. Spin finish. 1-1. I have some pretty high hopes in this. Oh, those counterattacks. I got this one too. Yep, 2-1. Oh, what? It's 2-2. Spin still. 3. Come on. I need to find a good combo for this if it does lose. Oops. Oh yeah, it's scraping. Yeah. see how it does with let me change the ratchet to something that won't scrape a lot. Because yeah, 760 is more like a wall. Let's actually try 360. Alright, let's do it best of 4. Best of 4 like last time. There we go, less scraping. One point for the spin. Dodge. There we go. 3-0. Oh, yeah, it served. Oh, now it's 1-3. Come on, we can't let it come back. Yep, I got this one. I got this one in the bag. Look at that spin. Stamina for days. Yep. And basically the concept is kind of, it's like points, but more ball exposure. But also like the sides work as knockback resistance. Yeah, so I'll make one more opponent for it. In this review, and I think I know just which one to pick. Alright, let me give it the blue. I'll give this one the blue 360 since it matches Cobalt better. Get it ink back on. Alright, so it's going against this combo that I think would be good for a tournament. On 360 turn dot versus Cobalt 360 point. Alright. It's doing better than expected. 3-0. Oh, 1 point. I should get this, right? Spin still plus peak stamina. Yep. And just like that, that does it for this review. Let me know what you think about this bit. I think it's pretty good. And if you think this would be overpowered, let me know your thoughts on it in the comments. And if you enjoy, make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you next time.